Today, we're going to...
Today. Sorry, go.
Today.
I'm just excited. Go.
Today, Tyson is going to show you how to make something he is calling...
life-giving chicken soup.
You will need the following things.
1 jalapeno pepper.
Are you supposed to keep the seeds in?
I leave the seeds in.
Woo!
A little caliente there.
Yeah.
We have some minced garlic. Now, you know what?
The meatloaf is done.
Let's not talk about the meatloaf right now. All right.
3 chicken breasts.
This is 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and under there is the rest of this here tomato. No, that's not a tomato. That's an onion. Sorry. You know, let's just say 3/4 of an onion, purple onion.
You're panicked and rushing. Just calm down.
Okay. You know, I don't do this. I'm a photographer.
You know
okay,
what?
I'm behind the camera.
Out. You just tell
right?
us what you need to make this recipe.
I like cherry tomatoes.
He likes them.
They work in the soup.
Great. You know, you don't need to go that slow. Just say what the thing is and move on. What is this?
You know what? That's sofrito.
For a second, we need to pause and talk about sofrito.
Yeah, sofrito. This is rice.
A cup?
I would say it's a cup.
A cup of white rice.
A cup of...
How many cherry tomatoes?
This is a packet. This was full, and then I pulled it out. That's what's left, so that's about how much.
It's a pint.
Cilantro. This here is...
It's vermicelli, but it's sliced up.
1 lime. The lime is life. If you don't have the lime, go back to the store. These are avocados. Trust me, you're gonna want these in there. Red potatoes.
So let's talk about this soup. Who introduced you to this soup, sir?
A very special person introduced me to this soup.
A girlfriend, perhaps? Why are we calling it life-giving?
I'm gonna tell you why.
Okay.
It's cold. Right now, people are
freezing.
in a blizzard scenario, okay?
He's sick.
Yeah, you were down for what, 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
I'm tired of being sick.
He's tired of
So it blew my mind. I was like, yo, I could do that because it's easy. Fresh ingredients.
In a pot.
In a pot.
That's it.
That's all you need.
Why don't you show us how to make this soup?
I will.
All right.
However, through the power of television,
yeah,
we're gonna take a commercial break.
Oh.
And for our international friends, we'll be right back.
We don't have international friends.
We do.
I could just edit this. You don't have to. Where are we gonna go?
No. We have to get used. We have to get used to saying we'll be back.
Okay.
Because
all right, we're back. Now what? What are we doing?
What are we doing? Television. What are we doing?
Are you putting water in the pot?
We're not back yet. We have to wait for the other dish. Can you stand in?
Oh, sure.
There's just a halo from that glare. It came in like really strong.
I love it.
You think it's okay?
I mean,
this is really a lot.
I really love your face in there violently. Hold on, let me try to pick your nose.
No, you have a problem picking your own nose. Listen.
Wait.
I guess we're gonna roll with it.
Wait, keep your nose there. Wait. What if I took out a huge chunk of chicken? No.
Okay, so.
Right, so all he's done is he's put water in a pot and he's boiling the water. He's gonna add the chicken bouillon cube to the water.
These are 2. I like, the ones I use are a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna use 4 of these to equal the amount that I normally use, okay?
Yeah.
Look what happens when it goes in there. It just starts
to fizzle. 4 little
like
cubes or 2 large cubes. Who knows the measurement?
You know when you know, she says.
Who says that? Oh.
Everything's about taste.
Really? You're going to taste boiling water with a bouillon cube? It's interesting that you're tasting things. I never do that.
You want to put your potatoes in as soon as possible. Why?
Because they take a long time to cook.
Exactly. Oh, look, I'm brave and burning. Now, once you put that in there, what you're going to do
chicken.
is you're going to start cutting up your chicken.
Oh, I would have done that before. Could you make this with shrimp?
You could.
Would that be gross?
But you know, here's the deal. Here's the deal.
It would probably be gross.
I'm not with the shrimp anymore.
What about pork? Ugh.
No. Now, you got to wash your hands after you deal with raw chicken.
I mean, no kidding.
The cilantro.
Oh, you're going to put some in there?
You're going to do half and half.
Really?
Okay, because you put a little bit on your dish for presentation.
Oh.
But you go in there. You go in there.
Really?
Yeah. It's flavor.
Oh.
Now what you want to do is you want to take this sofrito You get yourself a nice spoonful. Bam. And starting to do some things. Now we're gonna add the ingredients here. Now the garlic.
Garlic.
Bam.
Just in there, raw.
Bam.
Wow.
Bam. I used to hold off on the tomatoes until the very end.
But I put them in. I want them to be cooked, right? Yeah. They're delicious.
They're flavorful.
I know.
But
What about these jalapenos? I would put those in now and get it all spicy.
Would you like to? Would you like to? Would you like to? Here we go. Would you like to put them in?
No.
Okay, here we go. Bam. Spice.
We're waiting on those. Oh, you're putting in now.
We're going in. We've waited long enough.
We didn't wait that long.
We've waited long enough.
5 seconds.
It's in. Now you're gonna go in with your
vermicelli.
Vermicelli. I like to call it noodles. And now we're just mixing this thing up. You're gonna let it cook. You know when you know.
So, what'd you forget?
Well, let's just say I forgot the carrots and celery.
Oh, the celery as well.
Yes, not just the
Carrots and celery, a main component of a chicken soup.
Main components, okay?
Main component. We're back.
And we're back.
And we're back.
Konnichiwa.
Please.
Let's talk about an avocado. How do you pick out a good avocado?
I don't know, Tyson. How do you pick out a good avocado?
The box. You gonna put the box?
You don't even know?
I don't. I mean, I really don't. I was asking you for real. Voila. Just a big pool of orange water, okay?
Basically.
But when you do this.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Look at that vermicelli.
Look at that. Look at it.
It is gorgeous.
Okay. Bam. Watch this. This is what makes it,
watching.
takes it to the next level.
Oh.
Almost like parsley, but not with cilantro.
You don't want to cut it up?
Bam. Okay. No. That's just there.
Okay.
Look at that. Let's take a minute to take a photo. Instagram it. Extra nutrients in the potato skins. Just throw it in there. It's all about
I like the mix of the carbs. I like all the carbs. I like the noodles and the pasta and the potato.
You see the green peppers, red peppers
this is
for color. Life. That's what I'm talking about. See, now you understand what I'm saying.